Ready to ditch the 9 to 5 and make $10,000 or more? Take the ultimate challenge and transform your life. The appeal of earning $10,000 or more a month without a traditional job is simply irresistible. Imagine financial freedom, location independence, and the ability to design your own workday. This isn't a pipe dream. It's a reality for many who've ditched the 9 to 5 and embraced alternative income streams. Gone are the days when a steady paycheck equaled security. Today, the most secure path is one paved with multiple income sources. This essay will be your guide to navigating this exciting landscape. We'll explore proven strategies, real-life examples, and practical steps to help you achieve your own $10,000 plus per month goal. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and redefine what's possible. This is your journey to financial freedom. Let's get started. Side hustle your way to freedom. Extra cash, maximum flexibility. Side hustles are perfect for earning extra cash or transitioning out of your day job. Leverage your skills and interests to generate income on your own terms. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect skilled individuals with clients worldwide. From writing to graphic design, web development to virtual assistants, there's a freelance niche for everyone. The gig economy offers flexible income. Drive for Uber, deliver with DoorDash, or complete tasks on TaskRabbit and set your own hours. Choose something you enjoy and can excel at. Experiment to find the perfect fit for your skills and lifestyle. The passive income myth busted effortless earnings or clever marketing. Passive income is often touted as the holy grail of financial freedom. Earn money while you sleep. While the concept is alluring, the reality is more nuanced. Yes, certain income streams require less active work once they're established. Investing in dividend-paying stocks, for example, can generate passive income over time. Creating and selling online courses or digital products can also provide ongoing revenue. Affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions for promoting other companies' products, is another popular passive income method. However, success in these areas typically requires upfront effort in research, creation, and marketing. The key to building sustainable passive income is to treat it like a business. Invest time in learning, creating high-quality products or services, and building an audience. From startup to success, building your own $10,000 plus empire. Entrepreneurship offers the potential for unlimited income and impact, but it requires dedication and hard work. Starting a small business, whether online or brick and mortar, can be a rewarding path to financial freedom. Identify a need in the market and create a product or service that solves a problem. In today's digital age, the possibilities are endless. Launch an e-commerce store, develop a mobile app, or offer consulting services. Digital products like online courses and ebooks offer a low-cost, high-margin business model. They can be sold repeatedly, generating recurring revenue. Building a successful business takes time and effort, but the rewards can be life-changing. Real people, real money, meet the everyday entrepreneurs. Don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals have successfully built $10,000 plus per month incomes through side hustles, passive income, and entrepreneurship. Meet Sarah, a freelance writer who quit her 9 to 5 to travel the world. By specializing in SEO-optimized content, she now earns a comfortable living working remotely from exotic locations. John, a former teacher, leveraged his passion for photography into a thriving online business. He sells online courses, prints, and presets, generating passive income while pursuing his artistic dreams. These are just a few examples of the many individuals who have taken control of their financial futures. Their stories prove that with hard work, determination, and a bit of creativity, anyone can achieve financial freedom. Your blueprint to financial freedom. Designing your $10,000 plus life. Building a $10,000 plus per month income stream doesn't happen overnight. It requires a plan, consistent effort, and a willingness to adapt. Start by identifying your skills, interests, and resources. Next, explore the options discussed in this essay and choose a path that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Set realistic income targets and break them down into smaller, achievable milestones. Remember, success leaves clues. Learn from successful individuals in your chosen field. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend webinars to gain valuable insights and avoid common pitfalls. Building multiple income streams is essential for long-term financial security. Diversify your income by exploring different side hustles, passive income opportunities, and business ventures. Take action. Your journey to $10,000 plus starts now. You now have the knowledge and tools to embark on your own $10,000 plus per month journey. The path to financial freedom is within your reach, but knowledge without action is meaningless. Take the first step today. Research a side hustle, start building your online presence, or brainstorm business ideas. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Remember, building a successful business or side hustle takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Embrace the learning process, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams. The world is changing, and the traditional 9-to-5 is no longer the only path to success. Embrace the opportunities presented by the digital age, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, and create the life you've always dreamed of.